up here, and it's an ideal day to run. We could have records set out there today.
Especially when you consider some of the people in the field. Why don't you talk about who should be near the lead when they finish this half marathon?
Both defending champions are back, multiple-time champions. Khalid Khannouchi, now an American citizen, a Moroccan native, is the course record holder. He could easily be the Olympic champion in the marathon, but politics got in the way, and rather than being in Sydney, he is here in Philadelphia. He could run very fast out there today, set the American record, as a matter of fact, and I expect that to happen. He'll have a couple of Kenyans he'll have to deal with. William Kiptum won the New Haven 20K. That's a 12-mile race just a few weeks ago. And so he's got a victory under his belt that we have to consider very strongly. And there's another man, Joseph Waweru, who's the three-time champion on the European circuit, who also beat Khalid Khannouchi in one of the last races they ran together. So it's a couple of Kenyans against the new American Khalid Khannouchi on the men's side. On the women's side, it's Catherine Dereba, the great Kenyan who lives in Norristown, Pennsylvania with her training group, trains at Valley Forge, and she also has a chance to run very fast, but she'll have a couple of other Kenyan women that she'll have to contend with who are making their debut on the American Tour, who have been running very well, victoriously on the European circuit.
All right, we look forward to